Alrighty guys, welcome back to another trading video, and today I'm going to be going over the trades I took Friday. I took two trades. One, I hit $500. Second trade, I got stopped out at break even. Immediately after that, I hopped off the charts. So without further ado, let's hop right into this. So let me clear the chart. Alright, this one. So going into the day, I would say I'm bearish, but I was also bullish at the same time. We had this 15-minute PD array above us, and also this 4-hour. But this 15-minute was more of a drawn liquidity type PD array because it was more realistic. I wanted to see us tap into it and then potentially take out all these other lows. Where are they? All these other lows resting right over here. I want to see us tap into that and then continue because we were on a bearish trend throughout the week. So looking into it, hopped on the charts around 9:20, about 10 minutes before market open. What time is this? Alright. So market opens. Immediately, once this first minute candle closes, once I see this wick down, I look internally to the 15-second. Saw that we created an SMT with ES. With that too, we also created this 15-second change in the state. Also inversing a fair value gap, which this is my model, but just zoomed in because price is completely fractal. And once we hit this internal, I didn't know if this wanted to be manipulation for price then to move higher, so I kind of stayed patient. I let another candle go to see. It's like, okay, I think we want to go back higher. I think this was going to be a V-shaped recovery. No, we moved down because we did have these relative equal lows below us. I was also wanting to see that get hit. Immediately after that, I didn't hesitate to take a trade because I was very confident that we were going to go to these lows. Took my trade around here. Put my stop at the high of that 15-second. So right here was targeting around $800. No, about $1,000. But since I'm on eval, I'm trying to pass the account quicker. So I moved my stop to, I think, around here. Could be wrong. I move my stop a little bit below it so I can hit the 1.5k mark because I'm trading top steps eval. So we go, price goes down, and I put my stop down here. This was around 1.3k, so I was around 15 ticks away from hitting it. Immediately after that, move my stop down to this mini 15-second for value gap, because I was at that point, ES already took the low. We created an SMT down here. This was a bearish SMT. I now wanted to see price go to where I wanted to see price go to originally for my bias, was this 15-minute for value gap. So I put my stop down, wasn't risking anything. Price then goes, stops me out, $500. Now looking at this, price moved very quick. It was very, you could get a lot of FOMO on this trade, but there's this fair value gap that we created, more of a breakaway gap. I wanted to see it tap into that, obviously didn't. Then created this fair value gap right up here. Want to see price tap into that. People that trade inversions also entered into this 1 minute, had really good risk management or risk to reward. So I sat here, I was like, if price is gonna run to these highs, price is gonna run to these highs without me, it's whatever. I got $500, it don't matter. But price then kind of slowed down. Once we saw this, I was like, okay, I want to see internally what's happening. Go on the 15-second, we create this. This is called a propulsion block because this right here is an order block. After that gets cleared, after that order block gets cleared, the next order block would be called a propulsion block. And I want to see if it respects conjugate encroachment of that, which is this line down here. We don't tap into it. I'm like, okay, we respect it again. Once we see that, I place a position right around here. Put my stop. It was a tighter stop. I put my stop there. Targeted. the 15-minute. This was my break-even spot once price got there. So we watch price. We hit this. This was sort of unlucky. Once we hit this high, moved my stop to break even, got stopped out, and then price then begins to my TP. Now this is where a lot of traders could develop FOMO, and this is what I pride myself in, and this was my win, was it not FOMOing back into this trade, because I'm pretty sure price just began to shoot up, because there's also this 4-hour PD array above us. So I'm pretty sure we get a fake out here, move higher to this 4-hour. So I think I took 2 wins today, because I had this $500 day and this break even, but I also didn't FOMO, which I count as a win, because I also see discipline as a win, and rather than actually seeing only green days as a win. So yes, this was the trading recap. Very good day. I think so. I mean, a bit unlucky on this stop out, but I mean, nothing I can do about it. I only control what I can actually control, and the market does its thing. Stop me out for a reason, and yeah. So if you did enjoy this video, if you did enjoy the trading recap, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Peace out, guys.